Presentation by Nick Krebs and Kobe something.
Yeah, ...
And this is our introduction being, these slides are going to be an introduction to an introduction to possible further detail of the original engineer report, which will be shown at the end of the slideshow, which was never included.
Why'd you pick the picture of the hot dog? It's not even a CO2 car.
Because I did. And our content knowledge, or the first thing, it would be a composite material, which is a solid material made of multiple solids to make a new whole part stronger than the original. And for carbon fiber, it is almost a straight strand of carbon ends that are strung together along one axis and held by microscopic crystals. The process of laying carbon fiber is just putting the layers of carbon on a mold and putting resin on it and repeating until you have a desired thickness, and when done, you put it in a vacuum chamber for at least a day. Take it out, then pop it off.
Doesn't sound right. Oh, it's my turn? Oh, wow. Given a fiber weight of 48 grams and a resin weight of 29 grams, a fiber density of 1.2 grams per cubic centimeter, and a resin density of 0.8 grams per cubic centimeter, calculate the following composite weight, fiber ratio, resin volume, and fiber to resin weight ratio. The fiber weight was 62.38 grams. The resin volume was 36.25 grams per cubic centimeter. Whatever the caret squared. Lastly, the fiber to resin ratio was 0.6 grams. Why don't you read yours?
Okay, and for the engineering report, mine would be, Nick's engineering process would be, the engineering report for Nick's car is as follows. It'd be a destructive mold, which is a mold that is a one-time use and destroyed in the process of molding, instead of the intended mold where it could have been repeated with the same mold. It would have its own custom chassis despite being heavily discouraged. The prototype for Nick's change after the design brief is that there is no further the further development was simply non-existent afterwards.
My prototype is simple but very fast, with a slim, sleek look and canards that will help it stay on the ground and not go flying in the air, as well as a front lip.
And that's all, folks.